Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about reconstruction of the Germany, how they reconstructed Germany, how they removed the democracy, and what was the view of Hitler to make good position of his economy. Today we are going to discuss the first topic. It is the Nazi world views, means what was the thinking of Nazi people towards the world, what they were thinking about the other caste creed. According to Nazi or according to Hitler and Nazi both are one, their views are one. Here some sentences are given about them. The crime that Nazis committed were linked to a system of belief and set of practices. Means it was the propaganda of the Nazi how to deal with the people of the Germany and those who were not Nazi, they were not accepted in Germany. According to them, Nazi's ideology was synonymous with Hitler's worldview. Nazi ideology was synonymous of Hitler's. Means the view of Nazi is a view of Hitler. According to Nazi, there was no equality between people in society. There was no equality between the people, but only a racial hierarchy. In this view, blonde, blue-eyed Nordic German, blonde, blue-eyed Nordic German, they were Nazi. And they were at first position, and at the last position was Jews. Here it is given. Nordic German Aryans were at the top, while Jews were located at the lowest rung. They were regarded as an anti-race, the arch enemies of the Aryans. Jews were told that they are arch enemies of the Nazis. Hitler's racism was borrowed from Darwin. Charles Darwin was natural scientist, and he was doing the study of different plants and animals about their survival, how they survive, which type of things are required for their living on earth, and which type of animal or plants are strong. Look here. Hitler's racism borrowed from thinkers like Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. He had taken the idea of Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer for explaining the racism. Darwin was a natural. Darwin was natural scientist who tried to explain the creation of plants and animals through the concept of evolution and natural selection. Darwin was explaining about the natural plants and animals. He was the scientist. But Hitler had taken his concept to explain that those people who are strong, they only survive in the nature and they are capable to rule on the any part of the earth or any part of the country. And later the Herbert Spencer, he was also scientist. He added to the concept of the Darwin that of survival of fittest. Those who are fit, those who adopt to the natural condition, climatic condition of the earth, they survive on earth. These two concepts were taken by the leader and by the ruler like Nazi ruler Hitler for their racism, that their race of Nordic German is at the highest position and they will rule. They are good all over the world. They are best all over the world, and he thinks that the expansion of the territories and that area should be given to the Nazi to live there. In this way, they will create the respect for motherland, and in this way, the expansion of Aryans will take place. Once coming in power, the Nazi or the Hitler, they started their propaganda of removing the other race people from their country, from Germany, and it is establishment of the racial state. Hitler and Nazi both are synonymous, and when they came in power, they started removing the other race people from their country. Like they sent to the Jews to concentration camp, and also Gypsy were there to them, and some disabled people were there. They were also not accepted by the Nazi. To them also, the father of Helmut, about whom you studied later, before you studied about him, that many officers were there, like Helmut father, and they killed many mentally disabled, physically disabled Nazis also. And only Nordic, blue-eyed, blonde German Aryans were accepted by the Nazi. When Germany captured Poland, they behaved with the citizen of the Poland as an animal. and Nazis were taken too much work from that Polish people, and due to that hard work and hunger, they died. This was the condition. They were only accepting the Nazi Germans' periodic blue-eyed Aryan. The Nazis says that the Poles and Russians are also undesirable. They do not want them to live in their country, and the worst condition was of the Jew people. They were hated because the Christian, the Nazi says that they are the killer of Jesus Christ. That is why they hate the Jew, and from 1938 to 1945 they were taken to the concentration camp which was established in Poland, and they were taken into gas chamber, and they got death there due to poisonous gas in concentration camp. The next topic which we are going to discuss is the racial utopia. The Nazis have made their own imagination how their country will be, and after becoming in power, they started doing according to their propaganda. At first, they conquered Poland, and they removed the Poland people from the western northern part of Poland, and they occupied that area. In that area, they asked to the Nazi to stay there, and they behaved as a cattle with Nazi. They herded, they removed the Poland people to one area which is known as a state government area, and they were forced to work, and that much work had taken from the people that they were died due to the load of work and hunger. Afterwards, they started genocide. They were giving death to the one certain race people like Jews, and also they have taken the children of the Poland's people. They at first check that children that their quality is of Nordic German or not. If they if they remain their quality as Nordic German, they were taken by the Nazi family, and they look after them. If they fail, if they do not have quality of Nordic German, then they were sent to the orphan, and at that place they may die, they may perish. The Nazi They killed the wise people of the Poland to spread their own culture, their Nazism in all part of Poland, and the children who do not passes in the feature of Nazi quality, they were sent to orphanages and there they may die. Next topic, youth in Nazi Germany. Hitler was very interested in the youth of the Germany, the youth of the society, because he think that the strong nation can be built only by teaching the youth Nazi ideology. For this, he had started many steps. At first, he started removing the teachers who belong to Jew, and he cleaned the Jews teachers from the school. According to him, the children's care should be taken inside the school and outside the school, and in game also the children should play such type of game like boxing, that they become too aggressive. In Germany, they taught to the children Germany ideology, Nazi ideology. They hate the Jew. They do not sit in the school with Jew students. In this way, the youth in the Nazi Germany were taught the Nazi ideology. In Nazi Germany, the youth were told to teach the other youth children, and the children who are of 10 years, they have to enter Jungvolk. It was the group of children before 14 years. In that, they were taught about the worship of war and how become aggressive, and the violence and the hitting of Jews. These all things were taught in the school also and outside the school also. This was the condition of youth in Nazi Germany.